Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you the best settings for HP Omen 27QS. So as you can see that I have this picture in front of me in which the gaming settings, it is set like this, where the adaptive sync is on, MPRT is off, response time is on level 3, frame rate is on, the crosshair is off, and the manage timers is off. So you can use this setting in the gaming settings. Now we have the image settings in which the brightness is 80, contrast is 85, and the dynamic contrast is turned off. The black stretch is also off and the sharpness is on level 4. The image scaling is set on fill to aspect ratio. So you can try these settings for the image. After that we have colors. So in the colors you can set it on native. Next we have the information section in which you can use these settings for the best output. So you can even go into your Nvidia graphic cards and you can use these settings for the better output. So that was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.